Make a smothered sausage and waffle fry bake. We're gonna put our bag of waffle fries on the bottom of our baking dish and just get them nice and spread evenly as you can over the bottom of that. Then I sliced up some kielbasa sausage in the coins. You just want to get them spread nice and evenly over the top of your waffle fries. Kind of make sure that meat is kind of covering everything. All right, and once you have that, we're going to get our liquid mixture going. Start with a can of cream of chicken, as well as cream of mushroom, if you don't want to do cream of chicken, you can also do cream of onion. If you want a little extra oniony flavor in there, should taste pretty good. We're going to throw in 1 cup of sour cream, which is this whole container. And a 1/2 cup of whole milk. Once you have all your liquid ingredients, go ahead and get that nice mixed together. All right, once you got that nice mixed together, take your liquid mixture and we're going to pour it over the top of our baking dish, our waffle fries, and our sausage. Try to get all the little bits. Try to get it spread evenly over the top of our fry sausage layer. Get it nice and covered, and it'll fall down into those fries and into that sausage. Finally, once you have that nice and spread over the top, we're going to put in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I shred it myself because it seems to melt a little better than the bag stuff, but if you don't have time and want to do the bag, that'll work great too. But I personally did it myself, which is why it can look a little clumpy at times. It's that nice homemade look. Add a last little bit of cheese, cover every little part you can see. This ain't rocket science, people. Okay, once you have your cheese on there, put some foil over the top. We have the oven preheated to 350. We're going to put it in there for 30 minutes covered, and then take it off and let it cook for 15 more minutes uncovered. So that's 45 minutes total. Let's take a look. Ooh, it smells fantastic. That's some cheesy goodness, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's give this a try. Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
That is just some comfort food at its finest right there. And that like cheese sauce on there too. So I got the waffle fry in there. Gotta get all the good stuff. Ooh. Oh yes.